What's up, people? It's your boy Names with Names Repairs. The week has been very good. It's been nice and sunny. The weather's been very good to carry out a lot of work outside. So, I mean, at least for once, 1 week, we've had the best weather in Ireland. So, you know how it is down here, man. It's always raining, freezing, and it's cold. One time it rains, the next time it's sunny, the next time it's cold. So this last week the weather has been behaving nicely, so I got to do a lot of work on this car. I removed the front bumper and the fender just so I can start getting ready to put on the new parts that I have for it. So literally it's not a difficult job, and I hope this video will help you, even though it's not a step-by-step tutorial to show you how to remove a bumper or a fender on a Ford Focus 2007 Zetec. Literally all you need is spanner number 10 and the 4mm Torx. That's it. There's not much going on there to remove a fender and the bumper. So let's dive right into it without wasting time. Could be Miami, beach in Senegal. this part is safe to say I'll stop here, because first I need to find out if I can get the bumper painted, and then see if I can get a new door as well. So there's no point in putting a new fender without painting it. Then I'm gonna have a hard time removing the door if the fender is on there. So I'll stop here for the day. Thanks for watching. Peace in and out.